The story of Nakashima's production activities started with propellers. It's the very history of built-to-order production. Since the company's founding, we have created individual products that are unique in the world and optimal for customer requirements. Nakashima Propeller, which represents the origin of the Nakashima Group, is a comprehensive manufacturer of marine propulsion equipment. We manufacture propellers with a variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from small models with a diameter of about 20 centimeters to super-sized models with a diameter of about 12 meters. We also manufacture thrusters that enable efficient ship maneuverability, such as the controllable pitch propeller, which allows the speed and direction of a ship to be controlled by changing the blade angle. With environment-friendly electric propulsion systems, there are no manufacturers in the world who can offer such a varied lineup of propulsion equipment. Nakashima Propeller's reliable technology enabled the development of the world's first keyless propeller. The most important aspect of propeller design is to achieve an optimum balance of energy savings, safety and comfort in a way that suits the customer's requirements. We give detailed consideration to ways of improving performance, even by as little as 1%. A performance improvement of only 1% translates to an annual reduction in fuel cost of several tens of millions of yen per ship, and on a global scale, an annual reduction in CO2 emissions of several tens of millions of tons. I believe that our role is to provide the various types of ships that travel the world with the optimum types of propellers. In order to realize the thought that is put into each product, Nakashima Propeller's technical capabilities are honed to the absolute limit. Independently developed, cutting-edge digital equipment supports design data and pinpoint accurate, high-precision processing. Thanks to the skill of craftsmen cultivated over many years, Nakashima's unique optimum propellers radiate an aura of functional beauty characterized by high quality and high performance. A high level of precision and quality is always required in the propeller manufacturing process. This is because the slightest error in the shape of a propeller can adversely affect the ship's performance, causing vibrations, noise, and other problems. Our blade milling machine that can simultaneously handle 5 control axes faithfully maintains design form right up to the edges, thereby ensuring smooth blade cross-sections and supporting propeller performance. A delicate finish applied by skilled craftsmen ensure a smooth blade form that surpasses ISO standards and completes the creation of propellers with a high precision weight balance. Our mission is to provide customers with propellers that are unique, optimally designed and produced with the highest level of quality in the world. Nakashima's propellers take to the sea. Nakashima's propellers are in action in seas around Japan and all over the world. A backup system that covers the whole world, not only Japan, has been established. This reassuring, reliable network supports the safety and comfort of ships. Also, through technological cooperation with overseas companies and the development of engineers, the scope of Nakashima Propeller's activities has expanded globally. Nakashima Propeller is utilizing technology cultivated in the manufacture of propellers to branch out into new fields. One example of this is the Environment Equipment Department, which handles water-related issues. Using our fluid analysis technology, it's moving into the environmental conservation field of water quality improvement. It's hoped that density current generators, which are systems that purify water areas by mixing water from the surface and bottom layers, will help to solve environmental problems in the future. Freely producing beautiful, smooth, curved surfaces. Nakashima Medical's artificial joints are created by fully utilizing the design and processing technology that is one of Nakashima Propeller's greatest strengths. Artificial joints are used to replace joints that are damaged by disease and aging. Nakashima Medical manufactures artificial joints for various parts of the body. We offer joints in various shapes and sizes, and thereby ensure optimum medical treatment for individual patients. We also manufacture bone fixation devices, such as the various plates and screws that are used in the treatment of fractures. Using the know-how cultivated with custom-made production, we respond precisely to specifications such as the bone structure data of individual patients and the orders of surgeons. With an integrated structure spanning manufacture and sales, we provide medical facilities with high-quality products. We are also pursuing initiatives with the aim of contributing to future medical treatments, such as conducting tests of product safety and durability, developing new processing technology, and conducting research of new materials. For a long time now, Nakashima has been applying a very high level of technology to the manufacture of propellers. They've manufactured large numbers of products requiring the formation of complex curved surfaces in 3 dimensions. Regarding the use of such technology in the field of artificial joints, I believe that it offers many aspects such as high precision and reliability that are indispensable to medical technology. I personally have great expectations of Nakashima Medical in this area. The technology of Nakashima, which started with the manufacture of propellers, has continued to evolve and has brought about an expansion of Nakashima's business framework into the Nakashima Group. The Nakashima Group consists of Nakashima Holdings, which oversees the entire group, and 9 other companies. As a comprehensive manufacturer of marine propulsion equipment, Nakashima Propeller represents the core of the group. Nakashima Engineering gives technical consultations on marine propulsion equipment. Nakashima Mitsuwa Propeller, small-sized propeller and energy-saving products are their main products. Nakashima Vietnam, which is Nakashima's overseas base for propeller production, is steadily expanding the scale of its facilities. Nakashima Philippines Corporation has operated for more than 20 years. This corporation plays a large role as a production base for small-sized propeller and PBCF. Nakashima Asia Pacific is an overseas sales base focusing on the Southeast Asian market, which is growing remarkably. Nakashima Medical conducts the development, manufacture and sale of medical devices, such as artificial joints. Systems Nakashima conducts the development and sale of CAD/CAM systems and business systems that evolved from propeller design technology. Nakashima Uchida Corporation supports the improvement of office environments. The Nakashima Group is a community that helps customers realize their dreams. Doing what others don't. Doing what others can't. For the future of mankind and society. Saiteki's Sozo company, the Nakashima Group continues to take on new challenges.